You're lucky I touched the wishing tree, man. You're lucky I touched the takeaway.
The Slug Boys, yay!
Oh my god! There's gears to this fucking vehicle.
Good luck, mate. Good luck.
Is everybody in the car?
Everybody's counted for, baby. Oh, I'm doing a shake. Fuck off.
First gear, baby.
How are you standing like that, man?
Wow! Why are we going so fucking fast, man? I'm getting flung a bit back here.
Right, somebody get in the driver's seat. I'll control the winch.
Alright, I'll get a go.
Fucking get in, you fat cunt.
Get a little bit of that. Oh, well.
What's happening?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't need no fucking planks, man.
No, bear spray. Yeah, about
Wait, no, wait a minute. Why the fuck is there bear spray?
I don't know.
I don't want to. Let's maybe no fucking stay here. Let's fucking like.
He's done it again. No! 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 Stop the boy! Stop the boy! You've come. Where is he? Where the fuck are you? There's a bear on the other side of the bridge. There's a bear on the other side of the bridge. Aye.
Can you hear me?
Over here, but
I'm out in the fucking ocean, you
bear.
I'm out in the water. I'm in the ocean. I'm sleeping with the fishes.
I'm stuck on.
I'm trying to grab his pies and I get flung about everywhere. Like,
What's going on out there?
I think Lewis has got all of the fucking crank or whatever.
Excuse me, sir. Could you get into the fucking bus?
Bear.
Oh,
Oh, the full fronts came off.
I can't
Aye,
see.
there's a bear.
I
Who
can't
cares?
see.
There's a fucking bear.
We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
Keep
We're gonna
going.
be okay.
Why? He's got.
Second gear.
He's been attached to the fucking crank. We got anything to revive your Smith, Paul? Please don't force us to shag, that's weird. What the fuck? That's just a cliff in front of us. Alright, Lewis, I've got an idea. Come here, Lewis. You're going to throw me to the edge of the other side.
Right, I'll try. He needs to. Oh! Oh! What the fuck?
Wait, hold on, is that a ramp?
It's a ramp.
Fuck. What are we doing then while we full sending it?
Aye.
We're waiting for
We're at
Lewis.
checkpoint anyway.
What the fuck? Did we blow up or something?
We're ready to
No,
blow
but
up
we're
right now.
going to. Aye, we're about to, mate.
Full send it!
Right, get in the fucking truck then.
Oh, I got a bird's eye view of this, come on.
Alright.
Right, you need to go to first, second, third. No, just keep going. Just go. I've completely missed the ramp!
Oh!
Fuck!
We're alright, we're alright, we're alright.
Aye, that's a restart. There's a bear! 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 Fucking kill him!
Run him over! Run him over! It didn't work! It didn't work! It didn't work!
Oh!
You're lucky I
Fucking
touched the wishing
Spider-Man trying to
tree,
save
man.
us.
You're lucky I touched the takeaway. Use the remote, if you can. Yeah.
Right, one of these fucking situations. Hanging on the seat, jumped into the remote, right?
Oh, that bear just jumped off.
Spider-Man saving us.
Has he done that?
Would you be able to maybe
I'm
climb
here to,
up
like-
the fucking climb up the chairs and the table and that? I fell all the way to the back. I'm upside down in the toilet! Whoa!
She's amazing.
Ow!
He's not just swinging.
Get the burgers on the go, man. And get the grill out.
I'm fucking sliding back.
Fuck's sake, burgers are flying away.
I'll hold it. Fucking. Oh no.
Fell through it.
Fucking.
Oh,
Ah! No! It's upside down! Fucking been out!
oh no!
So if I'm causing a ruckus behind there, boys.
Ah!
It fell on the burger, it's cooking them, it's fell on it. Oh no, it's away. How the fuck are you? How'd you get outside?
I fucking faced through the back wall.
Alright, well, I'll put them
The
stop.
fucking burgers pushed me out.
Turn the burgers against us. Fuck's sake, man.
Ah!
Ah! We both went through. There's two on it.
I'm trying to get three.
Fuck's sake.
Right, there's
Hey, we
one.
got one ready.
Fucking.
Full side of this, boys.
Oh, look at that trick shot!
Oh!
Oh!
Fucking trick shotted that.
Oh! It fucking made it, boys!
The burgers!
Gone,
The oven! No! No! The fucking the grill! The grill fucking the grill
The
fucking
burgers!
the burgers and the grills are gone! Look at that! Look at that! There's fucking we're leaving a trail for the bear to fucking follow us. Right, we've got some. Fuck. I told you he could smell the fucking he could smell the Alright. Good evening. I'm your captain.
I'm not getting you your gold, fuck off!
Well, no.
You fucking fairy bastard. Scrap gimp!
Here, Nugget Games. You should make a mixtape with us. Give us a mixtape. Call it Bangers and Mash.
I told you to do that with clips you don't want to use.
Well, we're
What's up,
getting
bear?
mobbed by a bear.
The fuck was that? Looks like you
Nuggets,
just
mate.
cracked open a can of sardines and drank the juice.
That's definitely some fucking like English cunt from Leamington Spa or some shit. Just like I love sardines. Cracks open the thing.
That's fucking horrid, man.
What the fuck is this?
What the actual fuck?
What is that?
What the fuck? No, alright, we need to get. We all need to get in the car for this one.
You know.
I don't know if we've got enough fucking health in the motor to survive that. Let me grab a beer. Hold me now! I'm 6 feet from the
Fucking
edge
not push
of
that
the
wheel.
edge.
Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop.
Whoa, yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby. God bless America.
Slow and steady, boys. That's the way they win the race. Route 65.
That's where we live, Route 65.
Remember?
Well, why are we going in the opposite direction of the signs telling us to go? Where the fuck is this pathway? Where are we going?
Going wherever the wind takes us. That's a holiday.
Don't worry about it. We'll fucking make it. This is a wee bit of a steep
I think
bit.
this is a dead end, Will.
I think this might be a dead end.
Pointless.
So, just we sit in reverse and we go back down. No, that way!
back down.
No! Don't go down the Grand Canyon.
The beer.
Don't worry about it.
That's not where we fucking started.
Aye, it is.
No. That was 6 cans of beer and only one's been saved.
Don't worry, you got plenty in the fucking fridge.
No! We could have had 5 more!
Catch me! I'm
Oh, fuck. You left.
I was wondering why it was so quiet.
Robbie fell out, and I said, I'm jump out and I'll help him, and then you just kept going.
If he's
He's
all...
away down there. Go and see if you can find him.
Fuck you! You thought you could get rid of me, you cunt. You thought you could get rid of me. Fuck! The fuck? Just a wait. What? Somewhere beyond the sea.